Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Presto Card to Samsung Wallet. Step 1. Convert or get a digital Presto Card. If you already have a physical Presto Card, open the Presto app and select the card you want to add. Look for the option Add to Samsung Wallet or Add to Google Wallet depending on your phone. If you need a new digital Presto card, download the Presto app and follow the instructions to create a new digital card. In some cases, you can also add a new card directly within Samsung Wallet. Step 2. Load funds or passes. Once you've selected your card, make sure to load it with either funds or a transit pass so it's ready to use. Step 3. Add to Samsung Wallet. After loading your card, you'll see a prompt to add it to Samsung Wallet. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the setup. Step 4. Use for transit. Now that your Presto card is in Samsung Wallet, simply use your phone to tap and pay on Presto devices at participating transit agencies. Important notes: make sure you don't have any other active transit passes in Google Wallet when converting your Presto card. Update your Samsung Wallet app to the latest version to ensure compatibility. And that's it. That's how to add Presto Card to Samsung Wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.